Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious quesadillas using an easy method. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 8-inch flour tortillas, about 1 cup of shredded cheese like Monterey Jack, and your favorite fillings such as cooked chicken or black beans. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring a tasty meal in just a few minutes. Now, let's assemble our quesadilla. Take 1 8-inch tortilla and lightly butter one side. This helps achieve a beautiful golden brown crust. Place the buttered side down into a preheated skillet over medium heat. Next, sprinkle about 1/4 cup of your chosen shredded cheese evenly over 1/2 of the tortilla. Then, add about 2 tablespoons of your prepared fillings on top of the cheese. It's time to cook our quesadilla to perfection. Carefully fold the empty half of the tortilla over the side with the cheese and fillings. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on the first side until it's golden brown and crispy. Then, gently flip it over and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes on the second side. Make sure the cheese is completely melted and bubbly, indicating it's ready. Your delicious quesadilla is now ready. Carefully slide it from the pan onto a cutting board. Using a sharp knife, cut the quesadilla into 2 or 3 easier-to-handle wedges. Serve it immediately while it's warm and the cheese is still gooey. Don't forget your favorite dipping sauces, like fresh salsa, creamy guacamole, or a dollop of sour cream. Enjoy your homemade, easy-to-make meal.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.